I get the urges to write lyrics when I'm at home, painting pictures with these words of mine, hieroglyphics in my headstone, so many rhyme books. I can make a library. We began started scribbling pages at the age of 10. Teenage thoughts of terror, like the Taliban. Hip-hop witnessed the bomb when I started doing my thing. Born and bred in Kabani, cold as a snow breeze, fearless as a kid, skipping under thorn trees. You can stand next to us, but you gon' need a polar fleas when cold in this. It's like I let my soul freeze, cause kama foko rekoti Joe, nana bella toti, kama ruru moho maswela guys in a sewage dam and akajo and flawless. Remutiti wadi noti, kaparane telameti like it's spring day. Yeah, like it is in the spring. I'm here right now, I'm here. Can you hit me with the liter on?